So what are all these components in the boiler?
Okay, if we start at the bottom, Marcus, this is a filter. There's variations on this. This basically filters the water going back into the boiler. This is a scale inhibitor, helps reduce the formation of scale inside the boiler. If we now move up to the boiler, this is a main Baxi Potterton. They're all the same. We've got our controls there, the heating and the hot water temperature. We've got our pressure gauge. You can see the pressure is a little bit low. Normally should be about 1.15, and they've got a mechanical clock. Now if we look inside the boiler there, oh, it's okay. This is our pump that circulates the water around the system. Underneath there, you've got what's called a pressure relief valve. If the pressure builds up too much, that will release the water. So if it gets above 3 bar, it will release the water. Move along there, that's our gas valve. That you see, it's a gas valve, so it burns gas to heat the system. Move over here, you've got this is a diverter valve. That's a diverter valve motor which opens and closes the diverter valve whether it's using hot water and heating. Look to the back, we've got the hot water heat exchanger bolted to the back of the diverter valve. On the left hand corner here, we've got the condensate trap, which is the water vapour produced by all condensing boilers. We then move up into condensing chamber. At the back is the big heat exchanger. In there is a gas burner. In there is an electrode which ignites the gas, and a sensing electrode which senses that the gas is on. And you've got here a fan motor. This has dual purpose. It sucks in a gas and air mixture at the right temperature, and the speed of the fan will vary depending on the output needed by the boiler. We just move around here. This is a silencer tube going up to the flue, and then this red beauty here, that's an expansion vessel. This is needed because when water is heated, what does it do? It expands, and that keeps the water constant. If you do have problems where your boiler is increasing, the pressure is increasing, that usually indicates a problem with this expansion vessel. Any other questions, Marcus?
No, I think that's everything. Thank you very much.